what if you could have a funnel done for you with all the emails in, and it's an agency website? I'm so excited to show you Sociempire. It's amazing. I've actually tried this out myself. You actually legally and ethically siphon buyers into your own agency website. It's already got the written for you emails that promote your done for you service, and it's seriously, it's ready in a few minutes. I've actually tried this myself. It's beginner friendly because I love techie stuff and I love learning techie stuff. But if you're not techie, you get confused. This is step by step, 5 minutes, and you're up and running. I'm not kidding you. This is pretty amazing. Why do you need an email list anyway? Because if you get shut down on Facebook, like this person here and this person here, you can actually lose all your contacts. So you activate the agency, it actually gives you traffic. You can clone it in one button and get paid. It's so easy. So basically, it's the first social media influence agency. It finds clients for you with its done for you website. It sends the automatic emails with your links in. It gives you done for your hosted funnels to copy, paste and deliver, and it brings repeat customers. And I'm serious. Just a few minutes. I wouldn't lie to you because I don't do things like that, but it works on any social media network. So are you ready to build your house that's not on sand? Build your house on the basic building block, okay? It's secure, it's scalable, and it's automated. All you need is Sociempire. It is the world's first done for you social media agency system. It finds high paying clients for you, and it pays you direct. PayPal, copy and paste. Anyway, don't listen to me. Let's look at some of the other people who have tested it as well. Obviously, you get your video training. The traffic is one touch traffic. Ha! See, it's so easy. I'm trying to here we go. Bethany and 180. Priya 290. My mate Ian, here's Ian. It's so easy to use, and so I just answer a few questions about my business, and Sociempire does the rest. While it may seem like a software program couldn't create lead generation funnels, but it rivals that of a professional web designer. So based on the number of customers responding to his funnels, I'd say they're pretty impressed too. I tried it, look. Sociempire is so easy to create because it's actually done for you. You just put your Warrior Plus links in and boom. The results speak for themselves. It's the professional quality of the funnels, and it's fast, easy and stress-free. I would recommend this to anybody who's always wanted a website, got no tech skills at all, and it's 1, 2, 3, boom. It's so easy. I would just highly recommend it because if you buy from me, look at these bonuses. So I've just described what it is. You can have a done for you funnel, access. You can actually manage social media post creation and publication. Ooh, it's exciting, this is. Anyway, when you buy from me, you get this bonus library. Hundreds of products to download and offer as bonus for your promotions, for your lead magnets. Okay, And if you were a bit stuck on writing compelling headlines, here we go. Top secret tactics 6-figure copywriters use. Okay. SEO and ranking tracking tactics. It's all in the list, guys, and it's all in the attention to detail. So that's me. That's my bonus system. I'd love you to click the link below and suss it out, because I'm really excited about this. And these custom bonuses are only here for the next 3 days. This is launch, and launch is only last 5 days. Once the time has gone, it's gone. So get in now while it's still at this insane price of $19. What are you waiting for? Click the link below. Get this system before it goes up to $99, because it's worth much more than that. Anyway, guys, just suss it out, because I'm excited and I think you will be too. Hit the notifications button, hit the like button, drop me a comment. If you drop me a comment, guys, I can give you a free gift. Just say, hey, Di, I've done a comment, and I will send you a free gift if you hit me up on Facebook, which is also in the description. Bye, guys.